Now, the insurance marketplace, Lloyd's of London, is bracing for a $1.26 billion hit from Russia's war in Ukraine. Claims are expected to rise because of grounded planes, stranded cargoes, and bad debts caused by the conflict. Lloyd's predicts insurers globally may face claims of around $10 billion to $15 billion from the conflict. Earlier, we spoke to Chairman of Lloyd's of London on the challenges that the war poses.
The most significant source of claims in our first half results are really our best estimate around losses because of the Ukraine conflict. So we're estimating net losses for the insurance market at Lloyd's of £1.1 billion in relation to Ukraine. I have to say that's a modelled outcome. The number of claims we've actually received are a lot fewer than that, but that's our best estimate of the total claims we expect to face from the Ukrainian conflict.
For the first half of this year, Lloyd's made a trading loss of $2.1 billion compared to a profit of $1.6 billion a year ago. That's as rising interest rates hit its investments. However, its underwriting profit jumped 25% to $1.4 billion. Well, to help staff with rising cost of living, Lloyd's is giving a one-off payment of £2,500, that's $2,900 for those earning under $87,000 a year. We also asked the chairman about the company's plans in Asia, and here's what he had to say.
Asia Pacific in its entirety is 20% of our revenues. It is growing fast, particularly as Asian economies increasingly look to trade internationally. So we're not a big player in domestic markets in many parts of the Asian economy, but in terms of international activity, we play a growing and more substantial role. And of course, as wealth increases, and it's increasing faster in Asia than anywhere else in the world, so there are more assets to be protected and more insurance is purchased. So this is a really important medium-term strategy for us to grow our business consistent with the growth in wealth and GDP across Asia.